if you are moving in data science field and want to learn data science, want to learn machine learning, I will recommend you to learn Python programming language called. Hi everyone, myself Kaish, and in this video I'll be talking about the top programming languages you should learn in 2020. I have arranged the programming languages with regarding to their popularity in the previous 1 to 2 years. In this video I'll be talking about which programming language you should learn in 2020. So our numbering goes like this. The PHP language was created to make the personal home pages. That's why its name is PHP. But nowadays it is popularly used for making the web pages. PHP's full form is Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is a general purpose programming language that runs on the server, and moreover it is useful for creating web pages in HTML. One of the more reason why PHP is most popular because it is cheap, free and easy to use. Now move ahead to our next programming language, that is our next and popular programming language is on the number 4 is C#. C#. So most of the people think why the C# language in our top programming language which we should learn in coming next year 2020. So let me clear your doubts regarding C#. C# language has the most versatile framework which is .NET Core framework. Moreover, it is commonly used for programming language. C# language is developed and maintained by Microsoft, and this is also one of the main reasons why this is more popular and you should prefer to learn this in the next year. C# has large number of features due to which it is popular among the users and beginners. So whether you are a web developer or app developer or game developer, C# language is helpful for you. Learn C# with the best tutorials. I'll be making some tutorials on C#, and currently I'm making tutorials on Python, and after this I'll move to some other programming languages in next year. Now move to our next programming language, that is at number 3rd, and this programming language is Java. You must hear about Java language whether you are a web developer or in any field or in a game development. You must hear about the Java programming language. This is the reason why the Java programming language is most popular among the users in most of the countries. Java language was created by James Gosling in 1991. Java has a JVM, Java Virtual Machine features, due to which the programs made by Java language is cross-program compatible. That's why, as I told earlier, this is most popular language among the users in most of the countries, in either game development or app development. And the Java is 99% object-oriented language. Moreover, Java uses automatic garbage collection and memory allocation features. Many people believe Java is not a king after the release of Kotlin language. Moreover, most of guys commenting that Java is not the king after the Kotlin language has been published, but I'm must clear here, this is not correct. There are still many developers who learn Java to use Java for developing programs, developing the games and developing the apps. Now moving ahead and coming to the second language, at the second place, the language which comes is Python. Python is one of the programming languages that is widely used all over the world. It helps web applications, network servers, desktop apps, medical tools and machine learning. And the most commonly used language in the machine learning and data science is the Python, and second comes your R language. Python can be very useful for developing backends, APIs, and commonly Python is also mainly used for creating the APIs. Moreover, the framework like Django, TurboGear, and Pyramid is based upon the Python language. If you are in web development, you might be heard about the Django and Flask, and they are developed in Python itself. Python is an excellent choice for beginners. So if you're planning for learn new language, if you're planning to learn any new language in the coming next year, you should prefer Python, because you can use Python in web development, or if you are willing to learn machine learning or deep learning, or want to move in the data science field, then you should prefer Python, because Python will help you there. Python is high level language and easy to understand. Python is just like English language. You can just read out the sentences, and then sentences, statements, and the syntax of the Python is moreover like English language. So I think if you are a beginner, if you are moving to learn any of the languages, you should start with Python. If anyone is thinking of making his career in backend, then you must go a Python language. And as I told earlier, I'm making Python programming tutorials on my YouTube channel. So if you want to learn Python, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you can get notified whenever I upload any tutorial video regarding the Python. Now moving ahead, and let us see which is our programming language which is at the first place in our list. The language which is at the first place is JavaScript. JavaScript is very popular language according to Stack Overflow. On the Stack Overflow, JavaScript is the most popular language in the world. According to the research, it is found that more than half developers use JavaScript. Nowadays, it seems impossible to develop a program without JavaScript language. Yeah, this is impossible to imagine. You can develop any program without JavaScript. JavaScript is an interpreted and high-weighted programming language. Moreover, JavaScript plays a significant role in front-end development. According to some social media platforms, JavaScript is very helpful in creating interactive web apps. JavaScript can be used in back-end development with the help of Node.js framework. Due to some reasons, most of new startups uses JavaScript, because you can use JavaScript in backend with Node.js, and this helps new startups very much. That's why they use JavaScript mostly. So guys, this was regarding the top popular languages of the world you can prefer to learn in 2020. And if you are moving in data science field and want to learn data science, want to learn machine learning, I will recommend you to learn Python programming language, because Python programming language will help you to grab these basic features. You have awesome libraries in Python. You can do a very good data visualization with Python using Matplotlib, Seaborn, and other Python libraries. So I would recommend you to learn Python in next year if you want to jump in data science field. Also, if you want to learn backend, if you want to learn web development, I would recommend you to learn Python, because with the help of Django and Flask, you can work very efficiently in backend of any web app or any website. So thank you guys. This was regarding a short tutorial on which programming language you should prefer in the next year, and which programming language you should learn based on their popularity in the world in previous years. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.